Speaking about Czech-Russian aviation dispute, here are a few facts and figures. First, the crisis started on the 1st July 2019, when the Czech Ministry of Transport decided that it is limiting the number of flights between Russian cities and Czechia. It happened as a consequence to earlier Russian measure to unilaterally restrict and limit the Czech companies, Czech Airlines and Smartwings from using Russian aviaspace over Siberia on the destination to Seoul in South Korea. Why all of this suddenly happened? Basically, this is something related to much older history, dating back to 1966 agreement on aviation between the then USSR and communist Czechoslovakia, which established that between Prague and Moscow and Prague and other cities there will be 2 flights operated by each side every day. This agreement was inherited from the communist times and then extended in 2005 to get extra benefit for the Russian side, increasing the number of flights between Moscow and Prague operated by Aeroflot, by the Russian side, to 6, whereas the Czech side, Czech Airlines, nowadays Smartwings, to just 2. But the Czech side got actually the opportunity to use Russian aviaspace for its long-distance flights to South Korea, to Seoul. This is important because Korean Air is now a strategic partner of the Czech Airlines / Smartwings. So this is very important and it's a very lucrative line. Therefore, the wider context of this dispute between Czechia and Russia is actually, it's economic driven. It is about getting more lucrative flights between Russian cities of Moscow, St. Petersburg, Yekaterinburg and others, Krasnodarsk, and Prague, and also the spa town of Karlovy Vary, which the Russian side is clearly interested in. It seems that for now the crisis is settled, even if it is about to continue in September if solution is not found.